Here I have Nokia 8 and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's prepare a USB-C cable connected to your PC. And afterwards you need to start holding the volume up right here. This is the volume up key. Keep holding volume up, and while holding volume up, connect your device to your USB-C cable. As you can see, the device is switching on into the recovery mode. This is the no command logo, so you have to release the USB-C cable right now. And when the no command logo pops up, you have to start holding the power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. And that's it. This is the Android recovery mode that you can use on your Nokia. And as you can see here, you can read some detailed information about your software. You can also here scroll down by using volume keys and choose options by pressing power key, and here you can apply update from ADB. You may apply update from the SD card. You can wipe data factory reset. You may also mount system. You can view recovery logs or run graphic test. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose either power off or the first option, which is reboot system now, and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is restarting and rebooting. Let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Excellent. Now you are in a normal mode, you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.